side action. Uh-oh. Where's he going here? Oh, found it.
What's up guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video guys, and thanks for watching.
The Rex, the ZR2, and the Power Wagon. Three of the baddest machines, the baddest trucks you can possibly get. All three of them right next to each other.
We got a real treat today guys. We've got the Ram Power Wagon on 38s, and this is Mr. Red Beast Wagon Adventures. And we've got the ZR2 Silverado. He is, I believe, on stock 35, so he's got a little bit of a tire disadvantage. And then the almighty Rex, also on 38s, and everyone is armored to the gills. So stick around to see how these three rigs do on Snake's 2 hardest obstacles.
Jeep badge number 2, Snake. Let's see if I can get a visual. There it is. We've got our blown out CV axle. And we got Mustab A, Channy C, and Reggie P. All right, let's go. So the, I guess, optional harder side on Snake. We're gonna take a look at it here. So here is the optional fun side here, triple black there, triple diamond. And there is the easy side, which is a paved road for this guy.
Round 1, fight!
Subscribe for more of this. That's it. All right, here is Ali in the ZR2. Oh, 35s. It's got like a 3-inch lift or something. Front and rear lockers. He's gonna make this light work. He's gonna make this look easy. Why is he going that way? You need to go that way. There he goes. Oh man, he's taking the hardest line possible. There he goes. Keep going, brother, keep going. There you go.
You're good, you're good, you got it. You got it, you got it. You're clear. Woo! Nice job.
Woo! A little more drama filled on that one. He decided to take the hardest line. All right, here's Ray and the Beast. 38 power wagon, front and rear locks. 38s. It's gonna make light work of this one. Slide action. There it goes. Nicely done, man.
You're clear here, you're clear here, you're good. Well done.
What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us.
Round 2, fight.
Oh no. Oh. You see my steering wheel? Like, woo!
That's all sorts of things.
Oh my goodness. See my steering wheel? Like, woo!
I saw all sorts of things. Yeah, you bounce all over.
I'm glad I had to get out for that. Oh.
All right, so this is Snake. This is a two diamond somehow. I just resurfaced this rock with my diff. Not bad. All right, here's the ZR2 coming up the hard line.
twice. I thought it was in Colorado, but coming up on this. Yeah, good.
Uh-oh.
Nice. You're good, you're good. That was diff, but you're good.
Find that tree on your roof.
Hey, your GoPro might get the axe. Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, you're clear.
Can't miss it. There was no drama with yours, bro. It was incredible.
It's alright.
The tires, man.
Tires do build it.
What happened when I went up? Did I slip off or something?
No, you went throttle out.
Oh.
Rock bouncing.
Oh, okay. Because I don't think you even...
Shocker. I didn't hear any contact this time.
Oh, Mr. My gas tank is... Where's he going here? Oh.
Found it.
Good morning. All four wheels are powered, dude. Something that we all would love to have.
Like half.
Yeah. Nicely done, Ali. Oh. There it goes. Alright, here's the beast man. He's gonna take the hard line like us and see how he does.
Watch that nut. You got it right here. You hold that line. Now you can get back.
rather not turn them on.
Thought you wanted a new one. That was close.
Yeah. Try.
Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to post a comment about who you think did the best and why, and which rig you would buy if you could buy any of these 3 rigs to take on your next off-road adventure. And be sure to stick around, guys. We've got quite a few videos coming out from our Hot Springs off-road adventure trip. where we did all 4 of the Jeep Badge of Honor trails, as well as a couple harder trails, 3 and 4 diamond, that definitely tested our angles as well as our body panels. So be sure to stick around and watch out for those.